Hey everyone, it's Jay Kundani. Let's talk about procrastination. We all do it, but we can overcome it. Here are 5 steps to boost your productivity. Okay, let's get real for a second. We've all been there staring at a task like it's a ticking time bomb. But why? What's really going on in our minds when we procrastinate? Once you pinpoint the cause, you can address it head on. We've uncovered those procrastination triggers, and now it's time to tackle them. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Think of it like eating a cake slice by slice. Celebrate those mini victories along the way. Chapter 3, Tock. Time management is your new superpower. Work smarter, not harder. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a single task. Take a 5-minute break. Recharge and return with fresh eyes. Chapter 4, No excuses. Deadlines and accountability are your secret weapons. Set realistic deadlines and stick to them. Treat it like any other important commitment. Tell a friend about your deadline. Having someone else hold you accountable can make a world of difference. Remember, we're in this together. Celebrate you. Rewarding progress, big and small. Rewarding yourself is crucial for staying motivated. Think small, meaningful rewards that will keep you going. And remember, self-care is a reward too. And there you have it, 5 steps to overcome procrastination. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Share your goals below.